Welcome to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the exact steps you need to follow to make your first $1,000 on Instagram. Whether you're a seasoned influencer or just starting out, these actionable tips will help you optimize your profile, build a loyal audience, and monetize your content effectively. With over 1 billion users on Instagram, there's a huge potential to grow your brand and make real money. So grab a notepad and pen and let's dive in. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that can accelerate your journey to making money on Instagram. 1. Optimize your profile. Your profile is the first thing potential followers and brands see, so make it count. Use a high-quality profile picture that represents you or your brand clearly and professionally. Your bio should be compelling and concise, clearly stating who you are, what you do, and what value you offer. Use keywords relevant to your niche to improve discoverability. Include a link to your website, blog, or a relevant landing page, and make use of Linktree or similar tools if you have multiple links. Additionally, utilize Instagram's highlight feature to showcase your best content, such as testimonials, key posts, and FAQs to make a great first impression. Consistency in your profile aesthetic also helps in establishing your brand identity. Don't forget to choose a memorable and searchable username. If possible, keep it the same across all social media platforms to maintain consistency. Ensure that your contact information is readily available so potential collaborators can easily reach you. Regularly update your bio to reflect any changes in your brand or offerings. 2. Build a niche and audience. Identify your niche, whether it's fitness, fashion, travel, or food, and consistently post content that resonates with that audience. Your niche should be something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in, as this will make content creation more enjoyable and sustainable. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. This builds a community and fosters loyalty. Use relevant hashtags strategically to reach a broader audience and join niche-related conversations. Collaborate with other influencers in your niche to cross-promote and grow your following. Additionally, consider creating a content calendar to plan and schedule your posts, ensuring a steady stream of content that keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Participate in Instagram trends and challenges within your niche to stay relevant and visible. Host live sessions to interact with your audience in real time and create deeper connections. Remember, authenticity and consistency are key to building a loyal and engaged audience. 3. Create high-quality content. Invest in good photography and editing tools. High-quality images and videos grab attention and keep followers engaged. Use natural light whenever possible and experiment with different angles and compositions to find what works best for your style. Edit your photos and videos to maintain a cohesive look across your feed. Experiment with different content types: posts, stories, reels, and IGTV to see what resonates most with your audience. Stories are great for real-time engagement, while reels can help you reach new followers. IGTV is perfect for longer-form content where you can dive deeper into topics. Don't forget to use captions effectively, adding context and calls to action to encourage interaction. Also, keep an eye on your analytics to understand what type of content performs best and tailor your strategy accordingly. Use Instagram's built-in features like filters, stickers, and music to enhance your content and make it more engaging. Regularly update your skills by taking online courses in photography, video editing, and content creation to stay ahead of the curve. Engage with your audience by asking questions and encouraging them to share their thoughts and experiences related to your content. This not only boosts engagement, but also provides valuable feedback for future content. Partner with brands. Once you've built a decent following, start reaching out to brands within your niche for collaborations. Look for brands whose values align with yours and whose products or services would genuinely benefit your audience. You can do this by sending a direct message on Instagram or via email. When reaching out, be professional and provide a media kit that includes your follower demographics, engagement rates, and examples of past collaborations. Show them how partnering with you can benefit their brand by highlighting the value you bring, such as high engagement or specific expertise in your niche. Don't wait for brands to come to you, take the initiative. Additionally, join influencer marketing platforms like Aspire IQ, Tribe, and Influence.co, where brands are actively seeking influencers to collaborate with. These platforms can help streamline the process and provide opportunities that might not be accessible otherwise. When negotiating partnerships, be clear about your rates, deliverables, and expectations to avoid any misunderstandings. Focus on building long-term relationships with brands to secure ongoing collaborations and steady income. Also, keep an eye out for local businesses that might be interested in working with you, as these can often be untapped opportunities. 5. Utilize Instagram shopping. If you sell physical products, set up Instagram shopping on your profile. This feature allows you to tag products directly in your posts, making it easier for your followers to purchase directly from your Instagram feed. To set up Instagram shopping, you need to have an Instagram business or creator account, connect it to a Facebook catalog, and get your account approved for shopping. Once set up, you can tag products in your posts and stories, making it seamless for your followers to shop without leaving the app. Utilize features like product stickers in stories and shoppable posts to showcase your products. Create engaging and informative content around your products, such as how-to videos, user-generated content, and behind-the-scenes looks to drive interest and sales. It's a powerful tool to boost your sales and make that $1,000 faster. Additionally, consider creating exclusive Instagram-only offers or discounts to incentivize your followers to make purchases directly through the platform. Leverage user-generated content by encouraging satisfied customers to share their purchases and tag you, which you can then reshare on your profile. Use Instagram Insights to track the performance of your shoppable posts and adjust your strategy based on the data to optimize sales. Experiment with different types of posts and formats to see what drives the most engagement and conversions. Promote affiliate products. Sign up for affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Share these products with your audience and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. Make sure to disclose affiliate links as per Instagram's guidelines to maintain transparency with your followers. Choose products that you genuinely use and love, as authenticity is key to successful affiliate marketing. Create content that showcases the benefits and uses of the affiliate products, such as tutorials, reviews, and comparisons. Use Instagram stories with swipe-up links for quick and easy access to the affiliate products. Engage with your audience by asking for their feedback and experiences with the products and share their testimonials. Track your affiliate sales and adjust your strategy based on what performs best. By promoting high-quality products that resonate with your audience, you can generate a steady stream of income. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to making $1,000 on Instagram. By optimizing your profile, building a niche audience, creating high-quality content, partnering with brands, utilizing Instagram shopping, and promoting affiliate products, you can turn your Instagram account into a lucrative business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money on social media. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep hustling and growing your Instagram empire.